On January 18, Turkey's inaugural astronaut Alper Geveravci, along with 3 European astronauts, embarked on a journey to the International Space Station (ISS). As reported by Reuters on Friday, the Axiom Quartet was launched aboard a SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule lifted by a Falcon 9 rocket from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Anticipated to arrive at the ISS early Saturday morning, the Crew Dragon aimed to dock with the station, currently hosting 7 regular crew members, orbiting about 400 kilometers above Earth. In response to congratulations from Mission Control Flight Commander Michael Lopez Alegria conveyed from the Crew Dragon, "As I was saying, it's a team sport. Thank you guys." The mission designated AX-3 was orchestrated by the Texas-based startup Axiom Space. Marking the third flight organized by Axiom in the last 2 years, this initiative underscores the company's commitment to its venture of facilitating space travel for astronauts sponsored by foreign governments and private enterprises. Axiom's efforts contribute to the burgeoning industry of commercial space travel, furthering the accessibility of Earth's orbit for a diverse range of participants. Alper Geveravci, aged 44, is a Turkish Air Force veteran holding the rank of colonel. As part of the AX-3 mission specialist team, he represents Turkey, aiming to join the exclusive group of ISS guest countries through his nation's inaugural human spaceflight. Geveravci's fellow astronauts on the AX-3 mission include Italian Air Force Colonel Walter Veladei, aged 49, serving as the designated pilot, Swedish aviator Marcus Wandt, aged 43, another mission specialist, and Michael Lopez Alegria, aged 65, a retired NASA astronaut and dual citizen of Spain and the United States. The crew's primary objective involves conducting over 30 scientific experiments during the mission, with a particular focus on understanding the effects of spaceflight on human health and disease, as reported by Reuters. Assuming a smooth journey, the 4 astronauts are expected to be welcomed aboard the ISS on Saturday by the station's current regular crew, comprising 2 Americans from NASA, 1 astronaut each from Japan and Denmark, and 3 Russian cosmonauts.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.